Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm fixing a new handle for my claw hammer. Let's get started. This is my old handle which is broken. I decided to use this piece of stock for the new handle. I will prepare the stock and get back to you. Once I am ready with the stock, I place the hammerhead on the stock to mark the size. I also mark a point 2.5 inches from the top and draw a line. Using a hand plane, I reduce the stock to the mark. I reduce all 4 sides, firstly adjusting the plane for the heavy shaving and then a finer shaving near the end. Once I am down to the line, I visually look for symmetry and take few shavings to match the other side. To remove the corner, I use a spoke shave. Now I try the hammerhead to see the high spot and remove more material. I also use a file to refine it further. After a few trial and error, the hammerhead gets into the stock. After putting some chamfer on the corner, this handle will be functional, but I want to go a little farther to make it more comfortable for my hand. chamfer the corner, I hold this in my jig and plane with a number 4. After adding the roundover, I reduce the middle part with a spoke shape. This is done more on the narrower side. I reduce slightly on the wider sides too and smoothen the corner. Light sanding makes it more smooth to hold. I will remove the sharp edges with a chisel and then file it. Next, I mark a center line and saw it. I prepare a wedge for it and mark the width. Few whacking is needed for the hammerhead to sit tightly as possible. Now I can drive the wedge with a little bit of glue. After an hour, I saw the excess length. It is time to apply some finish. I use some mustard oil for this because it is a hammer handle. Hammer handle needs some oil which prevent it from breaking. Most hammer handles break because it is too dry. I apply oil liberally and let it soak for an hour. Then I wipe off the excess. Occasionally I will apply more oil to keep it lubricated. And here is my hammer handle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.